Hey guys, so I'm going to teach you today how to tie a Palomar knot. I'm going to use some really big rope and my magnet that I have here. First thing you're going to do is put the line through the loop of your hook, pull it through, push it back through so you've got this tag end loop here, and then get yourself a nice bit of slack, kind of straighten it out. So you've got this big loop end here, and then you've got the line. This is your main line leading back to your reel. This is your tag end, and this is the loop that you have, okay? So get yourself enough of a loop here, a loose end here, so you can wrap it around, just like that. See that? Just like that. And then you're going to take this, and you're not going to close it off. What you're going to do is you're going to put that over whatever you've got, and then pull on the end leading to the line and the loose end and the tag end here. And then when you pull on that, it'll tighten down on top of each other, and then what you're going to have is a knot there. Normally this is tighter just because you know, it's fishing line, so it'll tighten down on itself, but it'll tighten just like that. And then what this does is it creates a knot, and none of it is like applying tension in on itself. So that way you don't have any pressure points for it to rip or break or anything. This is the knot that I use for all kinds of fishing, lures especially. So easy knot. Pretty hard to undo once you get it tied off. Like, you have to cut this off. You can't really tie it on. But so I'm gonna cut this off, and but yeah. That's how you tie a Palomar knot, and if you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.